Hey, Cole, Champion Plumbing here. We're in Eagan, Minnesota. We got a call. We want to move the washer and dryer into this room. There's no drain, so what we had to do is catch the main down over here, tie into that, run a new 2-inch line all the way across here to the standpipe for the washer, and then run a vent line up in where the vent is upstairs. Gas line right here for the dryer, new dryer vent, and then we had to tie that gas line in over here. So a little bit of a project. We just had inspection, everything passed with flying colors, so we're off to backfilling and pour the concrete floor back and get the washer and dryer moved back into this room. Got any projects like this, just get a hold of us at Champion Plumbing, 651-362-2622. Look us up on the web, championplumbing.net. We also have a few videos up on YouTube. Thanks for watching.